Canada kan ama hey mi ka top with the hi zona kan zo tang an mani hi housekeeping department ania zona ka zo tang oh hey an pan hi yan housekeeping department ania India Mizoram atanga law apply do te in law takin chan how will start will introduce your name and department.
Yeah, my name is Pankaj. I'm from Rajasthan basically, and I'm in the cruise ship. I'm working in the housekeeping department. So that's what I do. What I say about like this.
Okay, and what about you? Where are you from? And your name?
My name is Rajkumar from Chennai, India. I am here working as a housekeeping department. I am doing here third contract here.
And we are enjoying the roaming in the world. We see the different places. Like in the cruise ship, if you work, you get money and you can see the world also. It's like very beautiful life. Little bit like no off you will get in the working, but it's nice. It's not like every department no off. Like you see this guy, casino, every port. If you're going on port, she have off.
Yes,
Now she is only enjoying and vlogging. We have only few hours. So
Right.
like this.
Okay, what I want to know is how do you get this job and what was your experience in India?
Yeah. I am working in India like 3 years as a housekeeping supervisor in the Leela Palace Udaipur. And when I want to come as a cabin steward, but when I try for this one, I didn't see any vacancy over there. So the walk-in interview going on like Rohi Globals coming in my place for the walk-in interview. So that time I just went for there and I want to come as a cabin steward. They say we don't have vacancy right now for the cabin steward. So I joined as an officer steward like here, and now this is my second contract, and we are going good. Let's see, and we get promotion slowly, and we earn more and enjoy. Like
So what is your agency name? You
this
said?
Rohi Global.
Okay, I will try to put in the
Rohi
video.
Globals, and you see the many vacancies are going for the Carnival cruises. The most they have plenty ship. They will put every week something. So people need to know about, just follow that pages and they will know where the vacancies and where walk-in interview going.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is it hard to get a job in a cruise line?
If you don't know, it's in the beginning, I don't know nothing. Like in my place, don't know about the cruise ship also in Rajasthan. Because you know there is no sea, nothing.
Right.
So
yeah.
I was working in the China. Then I meet one friend from the India. We working together. We are in the connections. So after that, we come India and he going to different place. I going to different place. But we are connected. And after some 1 year, he get job in the cruise ship. So I saw his picture and I asked how you apply, how you go. He say you need 1 year experience like that and you can apply from here. And then I search all the Google, YouTube, everywhere, all the agencies like that where I can go like this, and that's how I get. Otherwise in my place people still don't know about the cruise ship job because there is no sea, nothing. So now aware, there are people now awareing about when I was here, I was coming here, my plenty like many colleagues, they also trying for cruise ship because they know I am here and what I am doing. They also like to come here like this.
Okay, so what about you? Where did you work in India?
Yeah, previously I was working in India as well as Dubai. Then I was working as a room attendant in 5-star hotels, Hilton brand. Then after their COVID, there is lot of vacancy in cruise. So I just asked my friend before we has worked in same in Dubai, but he told me there is vacancy in housekeeping, but not like good position, they starting position. But they told me if you want to apply, you can apply. But as I tried, I got a job and everything I done. But the agency told me I have to do lot of the process to training something, STC something. But when that time I was in this Dubai, so I cannot go to training as well as. So I take some vacations and come back to India. I did all courses and waiting for joining for almost 6, 7, 8 months. I waiting some courses, training, blah blah blah. Then after I got 3-4 time joining date, cancelled visa process. It almost 1 year. So after I joined here. Now I am doing third contract here.
So how much salary you get in rupees?
rupees. Indian rupees, when I am getting the first job, is a basic job in housekeeping, is hotel utility. It's around 740 like that when I was joined. It's around 60,000.
Yeah.
66,000.
Yeah.
Also, you the same?
Yeah, we 66,000. But after the one position,
6,000, not
no
60.
60,000.
60,000
Yeah,
INR.
in Indian rupees.
Indian rupees.
Yeah.
If I got,
if I got like
no,
dollars.
I thought, no, I mean, first you were working in India, right?
Oh, in India, I will get 26,000.
26. Oh, that's good.
No, that's not good.
That's good.
Because we have expense like room rent. They not give like accommodation.
so
like
they don't provide accommodation.
26,000
No,
as a
nothing.
supervisor.
I'm working as a supervisor,
Supervisor.
and I have salary like this. If I become manager, they give me 40, and 40 is
Okay,
nothing.
then what about the normal steward they are getting in India?
It's like they're starting 12,000 if you are fresher. Is if you have little bit experience in big hotel like 300 rooms like property, you will get like 20,000, 18,000 like this.
But the company did
It
not
depends
provide.
on company. It depends on company.
They did not provide
No, in
accommodation,
India,
travel, nothing.
India, if you go anywhere, you have to pay. But
Alright.
they will cut minimum, but they will cut for sure in your salary something like this.
Okay, got it. Yeah. So over here, how much you start?
Here,
Starting,
like,
how much they offer?
they say
Yeah.
everybody have same salary here. If you select it, there is a $755 in the beginning. In the basic salary, if you got selected like a hotel utility, basic position, after that you will get $1,000. One promotion $1,000, and like in housekeeping, it's like a salary is okay, but you will get very nice tips.
Right. Yes. Yes.
Very nice tips. You will enjoy with the tips. Salary, you don't think about the salary. Salary is straight going to account. You will enjoy with your
Right.
tips.
Yeah.
Like this. It's okay, but like housekeeping only. We are, embarkation day. We feel something luggage
yeah,
and
that's
everything.
the
You know
tough-
that. It's the
worst
very
thing.
only that
Because
day.
the business day.
Yeah, this is the business day.
So we are
Otherwise,
also getting business.
very relaxed. See, we are working like 6 hours. Now we have break until 5. We are roaming, see the place, and after the 6 to 9.
Regarding your break, so from morning, what time you start?
Morning we 7:30 we start, and up to us when you finish. Like some people finish 2 o'clock because some privacy. We cannot leave the privacy. We have to wait for them until 2. So
Alright.
if privacy is like guest cabin, I'm talking about guest cabin.
Okay, yeah.
So they are waiting. Otherwise, if they finish 12, it's okay. Nobody bother you to stay there. It's there. Here is only how you work, how you finish. Like on. After that, you have break until 5. Cabin steward have until 6,
So-
and the assistant have until 5
So after that, from 5
to 9.
from 5 to 9.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But in the evening, not too much. Only touch up everything. Turn down service we are giving on the guests, because this is
So-
the luxury service where the turn down service are there.
Okay. Long tia kan nó mà kan long hin luxury. Chu ni ve a. Chan enge ka zo leng o zo tu ri ka she lo ve to pa ni chu. Chan ti khan le po ngai to lo a sap trong in lo she vek to ka ti me la alu tu tu o mang kha chan ti khan in lo she thiam tu ra ngai la. Chan how many also from India we need experience of at least 1
1 year,
year.
at least 1 year you
So
have.
The
with
hotel.
certificate.
Yeah, certificate.
Any
of course.
hotel or
Any
like
hotel.
No, like
5 star.
if you
Yes.
go 5 star, like we have bad luck. There is no vacancy. If you work in 5 star and if you apply for the good position, if there is a position, you will get. But we are like excited. We have to come. Like we need to come that time. 60,000 is very good salary if you come as a basic also.
Right.
But if you wait for good experience and try for the good position until you not get, you will like trying. When I get this position, I will go like this. You can. Like that is only working.
So you don't need to do hospitality.
No, you have to do. You have to have experience later. If you
Hotel
work 1 year,
management.
hotel no. If you don't have hotel management, it's fine. Nowadays
You need this diploma course. also
Diploma,
fine.
1 year diploma.
is fine.
if you have degree is okay. Now before if you going to management level, like in India, if you want to be a manager, in nowadays property want like management degree. Like if you have management degree, you have fast track to go up.
Right.
Like
So
and nowadays
how do you start? I mean, like you start from crew cabin steward.
here.
Yeah.
No, here we start like a hotel. Me as an officer steward. He is a hotel utility. Now he is also officers too. Here is like more chances to like in compared to India, we can grow more faster here.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can be until like up to manager, housekeeping manager.
It depends. Is because it take time little bit.
Okay. I forgot. Qualification. What about
10
qualification?
pass if you are 10 pass in the if you want a cruise ship 10 pass is okay. After 10 you will go diploma and do like the diploma 1 year diploma. After that go for industrial training, and after that you have to 1 year experience. That's enough. You can try for you will get for sure basic position.
But 10th pass is compulsory.
Compulsory,
You
yeah.
cannot do this STC.
Yeah, and if you want to come
yes. Yeah, STC, yeah, they
This
require.
also, this
and no
Seaman
criminal
book
record,
also.
Yes.
no FIR. If you 10, 12 pass, no matter. If you have FIR,
cannot
that's it,
do
finish.
this Seaman book also we cannot move.
All right. So then, is there any minimum age? What about
Minimum 21. After 21, anyone you can try anytime, and there is a no age to apply. Like everybody have energy like 40. If you have
Even though if we are old,
Yeah.
yes,
Depend
that's the
upon
good
the
thing.
agency.
yeah,
Yes.
that's a good thing. Yes, there is an like every time doors are open if you are capable.
Yeah. Then, what about the month contract?
Like officer steward have 8-month contracts, and if you are a junior cabin steward 6 months. After this, all 6 months.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's nice. So you don't work under Apollo.
we are work
Yeah.
in the Apollo.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Khá tí dòng khá lòng đi xe cả zona trên là khá choan in share thêm cái anh kim làวันนี้choan comments na in đâu sai don nha choan kami khá chú đủ tóc khót đi la cái chán đây kan dễ nghe kan explore bùi nghe đủ tóc khót tặng.
Likes, share, and subscribe.
Oh, okay.
And if you need anything about housekeeping, need to know, just
Yes.
comment in his,
Yes.
his YouTube channel. We will answer to her. She will give you to reply.
Yes.
Okay.
So maybe somebody also wants to follow you on Instagram or something.
Okay.
Just for the inquiry,
Yeah.
you can tell them.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course, of course.
But okay, yeah, everything whatever you need. Hotel engkim in shedu enge thilin eng lo du ni chang comment na in sai anga chan an mani hi India min ya ka lo zo ze lang. Do to potan. That's it for now.
Okay. Yeah,
And
that's
we
it.
can explore. Okay.
How to say
All
bye-bye?
right.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
No, I'm from Mizoram.
Mizoram, okay. How to say?
You can say bye bye vek ule yeah, bye bye vek ule or mang cha.
Rakule Omanta.
Bye bye vek ule like
Bye bye Rakule Omanta. Let's go.
Yes.
Anna.
yeah.
Okay, bye.